Hi guys, it's Amy here from the Peterborough Town Library to do another Take and Make craft video for you. And this week we are doing paper plate foxes. So here's a finished fox with nice jumpy googly eyes. And now I'll show you how to make it. So attached to your bag, you will get a paper plate, googly eyes, a pom-pom for a nose, pieces of construction paper, all in your bag, and then a bunch of pieces of tissue paper that you'll use for your fox. So the first step I suggest is to fold along these lines that we've drawn on the paper plate. You're going to fold so you cover up the writing, so you don't have to worry about seeing that. And this is going to help make the shape of your fox face. So it'll look like this. So I'm not going to glue them yet because first I'm going to fill in this area with the orange for the fox. But I wanted to be able to see what kind of area I'm going to fill in here. So I'll open that back up, grab my glue, and I'm just going to put a bunch of glue all over here in the general area. And then you take your tissue paper pieces and just stick them on however you'd like. There might be some different color oranges in your bag. Makes for good variety. Fox fur. Add a couple more here. Let's see, I'm going to test by folding these in, see if I've missed some spots, so I want to fill in there some more. That looks pretty good. So then I'm going to put glue all on the folded parts, or the parts you're going to fold. And press it down really hard and good. To the other side. This is one of those the more glue the better situations. All right. And then I think I'm gonna let that dry a minute, and I'm gonna put together my ears. So you have 2 orange pieces and 2 white pieces to go on the insides. So I'm gonna glue those on. Like that, one fox here. It's fun to have fox ears. There's those. My paper plate isn't staying stuck. You might have to stick it under a book or something heavy. I also lost a piece of tissue paper. There we go. But that's all right. So the next step is your fox eyes. I'm gonna make 2 little spots of glue. Stick on my googly eyes. Oh yeah. There's those. And we'll do a bunch of glue here for the pom-pom nose. And then last is the ears. I'll just put a little glue here on the front so I can stick them behind on the back of my paper plate. Makes it look a little more professional. But you can put them on the front, or you can put them anywhere. So there we go. There's this week's fox craft. And we hope to see you again at story time.